it's time to market. Now that you're set up for walk-ins, let's go on the offensive and tell your past, present, and future customer base that you offer Zeno visualization technology. And let's start with some low-hanging fruit. Why not review the vehicles you completed recently and over the last few years? Think of some clients who may be looking to update their ride by adding tints, a powder coating, a chrome delete, or maybe it's been 2 or 3 years and they have some wrap fatigue and just want an entirely new look. Just select some of these rides in Zeno, showcase different colors, finishes, and services, add them to the queue, and then render them all out and send them to those previous clients to see if they generate any interest. At the very least, you'll let them know you have 3D technology. Photo and video renders will work really well here and can be sent right from Zeno. Always remember to repurpose the renders you've taken the time to create. Utilizing Canva, a free picture editing app, allows you to easily overlay text on the render to create promotional ads to advertise new colors, services, and maybe some sales and other offerings that may be going on at your shop. Next, let's create a new shop car or promotional car that we can use to grab some attention online. Now let's choose something polarizing like a Cybertruck. This is your chance to let your creativity soar. Be it through strategic accents, bold colors, or the unique designs that you create or import. For this ride, we're going to go with a loud wrap, some accents, tints, adjust the stance a little bit, and we'll throw on some design files that should really help us grab some eyes. Oh, and the wheels for sure, we need to update those. Once satisfied, save and render whatever you'd like. A photo, video, even a social-ready reel. We've done a photo rendering with strategic caption to drive the messaging home here. Similar to the shop promotional car, on the commercial fleet side, we can load vans and create customizable templates. You can then advertise that these templates can be personalized with your customers' logos and brand colors, helping them understand a look and style that they like. Upload these to your website, emails, and social channels to help customers understand that you can guide them through their vision in 3D. Here, we created a template with your logo here. We then exported it from Zeno as a reel to tell customers, as well as local print shops and agencies, that we offer a way to help you find your look and style, reduce revisions, and set expectations in 3D, not 2D. Boost these kind of promotional reels on social media and watch the leads start pouring in. The best part? You can connect with dealerships and agency customers or their marketing teams anywhere, anytime with Zeno and screen sharing. Imagine telling a customer or an agency or a marketing team to just jump on and we'll do a review and make those final adjustments together. Right in 3D, right from the comfort of your home, office, whatever the case may be. And say goodbye to 50 emails going back and forth over revisions.